guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kyky here, and happy Tuesday. I'm in the middle of eating my breakfast, so today I have 2 scrambled eggs with ketchup. I am back on my sourdough bread kick, so I have 1 slice of that, and then I'm having some fruit on the side. We're having cantaloupe and blueberries. Honestly, you guys know from watching my vlogs, I never get sick of this breakfast. This is pretty much what I eat every single day for the last couple of years probably. I don't know why I don't get sick of it, and honestly I just know that it's a very nutritious meal. It keeps me full. It's very colorful, so I'm getting a lot of micronutrients. I'm having fruit first thing in the morning. I'm getting protein and fats from the eggs. I'm getting carbs from my bread, so it's all around a really good meal. Usually with my breakfast, my go-to fruit is pineapple and blueberries, but when I went shopping this week, I kind of said to myself I wanted to get a new fruit. When I was looking around, I saw cantaloupe was actually on sale, and it's really not something that I eat quite often, and it was 2 for $6, so I was like, okay, why not? The 2 that I bought were really ripe, so it just tastes so sweet and honestly refreshing. And of course, I have my big jug of 32-ounce water that I'm gonna hopefully get done within the next hour because, you know, we gotta stay hydrated. I don't know if you guys remember a few vlogs ago, I was complaining about my back left tail light on my car. It went out and it cost like $325 to get a new tail light. It was fine. I bought a new one, got it installed, all was good. And then 2 weeks later, I swear it's my luck, my back right one went out for the exact same reason. So I had to get another one for another $325. So that makes me carless this morning because it is getting fixed, like the new tail light's getting installed. So what I want to do this morning is, since I have to be home and I can't get errands done until the afternoon, I have a Shein haul. It's all vacation pieces that I bought for my upcoming Vegas trip in 2 weeks. I have 2 outfits for nighttime, and then I have a lot of jewelry, and then I bought some bathing suit sets. So I think I'm gonna record a little haul. Oh my, excuse me, I'm still pretty tired. Honestly, I slept so terrible last night. We're not even gonna get into it. So before I get into recording my Shein haul, I got a package this morning. We love a good morning package. I'm actually expecting a few packages this week, so this is the first of the week, and it is from my favorite jewelry brand, Luisa. I've shown them a few times on my channel, and honestly, I wear their pieces all the time. I have a ring on right now. I am wearing the letter necklace, so I'm super excited to say that they are sponsoring today's video. I genuinely love the pieces because I find that they're so affordable. You can literally find pieces starting from $39, and all of the products are really long lasting because they're tarnish resistant. And if you happen to have any issues, which I've never had in all of the years that I've been wearing their products, they do have a 2-year warranty to back it up. So the first thing I got are these Jessica earrings. So as you can see, they are gold and they're just these beautiful solid hearts. At first when I saw them, I was like, they kind of look like they would be heavy, but I haven't put them on exactly, but just even holding them like this, they don't feel heavy at all, which is great because I hate heavy earrings. The second piece that I got is this Tracy necklace. So the size of this necklace is 16 inches. As you can see, this is also gold and it is heart-shaped, which is so cute. Now your girl loves a good stacked ring set, so I already have this one that I'm wearing from Luisa, so I decided to get something to stack it with, which is the Stephanie ring in the color silver, and I'm wearing it in a size 9. The one that I have on already is a size 10. It's slightly big, so I decided to go with the 9, and it fits perfectly. And last but definitely not least, we have a layered necklace set. So this is the Aria Aventurine, I believe that's how you say it, and it's just a 1 size. One of them is a chain, while the other one has this beautiful green stone on it. It is so pretty. I decided to go with this because I have the same color green outfit that I bought for Vegas, so I thought this would match perfectly. And it's actually really good timing because my nails are the same color, so everything's just matching. I feel like for everyday wear, I'm gonna wear this layered necklace with the A letter necklace that I was already wearing. I think it looks so cute. I do have a discount code for you guys. If you want to save 20%, use Salenza20. All of the information is in the description box. Highly recommend if you're looking for new jewelry. It is now 2:09 p.m. and as you can see, I have my car. Everything is all good. Got the light installed and my signal finally works, so I shouldn't be getting pulled over by any cops, hopefully. I'm actually about to head into the dollar store. I'm just sitting outside because I need to pick up some packaging, so some bubble wrap and a box. I don't know if you guys remember, a really long time ago I used to vlog on my Canon G7X Mark II. I was just cleaning up and I found my Canon and I was like, it's just sitting here doing nothing, so I'm gonna get it fixed. I need to send it to Pure later. They already sent me all of the paperwork paperwork that I need to put in it, as well as the shipping label. Back in the car, so now I'm going to assemble everything. So I got some protective wrap, literally just bubble wrap. This was literally the smallest box I could find. It says it's extra small. I'm literally not playing around. I came prepared. I brought my tape, I brought my scissors, and I'm doing all of this in the car right now because I just wanted to make like one stop. I don't want to have to go back home. So let's assemble. I don't know how big this is. I mean, I guess that was pretty simple. So basically the reason why I want to get it fixed is obviously it's just kind of sitting at my house, and it's like I want to have an option of what I could use it for. So either actually use it or sell it and make some money. So camera is inside. Now this sheet they sent me, and I have to put it inside the package. It's just like, it has my confirmation number and all of that. This is such a hack job, but it's fine. Ta-da! We are all done. Now we just need to go drop it off. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I just spent the last hour putting a bunch of clothes for sale on my Instagram, my close friends list. I go through these little things where I literally need to clean my entire closet. I feel like I kind of do it seasonally, like probably 4 times a year at least. It's gotten to the point I do it so often. I have people that are literally like veterans, like they are ready to go once I post this stuff. It's so funny. This time I have a lot of stuff. It's like outfits, gym clothes, accessories, that kind of stuff. A bunch of it has already been sold, so I've already like deleted it from my Instagram and put it in bags with like the names and how much they owe me. This stuff I'm still waiting for like people to get back to me on. I literally posted this boomerang telling people like get ready. And then I always put everything on my close friends list because I don't want to like bombard people. So like this is everything that's still up here right now. Like I delete as people buy it. So there's a lot. I have to take a little bit of a break though because it is 10:45 and I do have a Zoom call at 10:50. I know it's such a random time, but that's the time that I needed to hop on. So it's 10:47 right now actually. So I need to get on that. Once my Zoom call's done, I think we're gonna head to the gym. I literally have not been in a week. God help me. So it's gonna be a hard workout for sure. All done with my appointment. I'm going to get ready for the gym. I'm a little bit hungry, so if I could get this off, I'm just gonna have a banana quickly. So this is the outfit I chose for today's workout. It is from Full Muscle Nation from their new Second Skin collection. Love it so much in the color Cosmic Blue. The color is to die for. It looks so good with a tan. I got my Gila mix filled with my water. Let's go hit legs. My workout. I think I missed one exercise. I forgot to record it, which was seated abductions, but I'm so hot. That was my first time back in the gym in a week, so I had a really good workout actually. I thought I was gonna do like 30 minutes and tap out, but it was like almost an hour workout. Got 5 exercises, went really hard, and I feel really good, so I'm happy about that. When I was leaving though, I picked up some kyky cookies. If you live in the GTA, you know about these. These are just like extravagant cookies, and I haven't had one in probably like 8 months, and I've been kind of craving them. I follow kyky cookies on Instagram, and she's always posting, and they just look so yummy. So whatever, they're at my gym. So I got an everything oatmeal, and then this is the one that I've been craving, carrot cake. So good. I cannot wait to have these. I am literally starving right now. I am so hungry. So thank God I have meal prep in my fridge. I'm gonna get home, warm it up, and eat. This is so hot. I literally have to put it on the floor, but I'm having honey garlic chicken. This is homemade, okay guys? It's so easy. It's literally just butter, soy sauce, garlic, and honey in a pan. Just saute it up. So good. Jasmine rice, and then I have some roasted broccoli and asparagus. So excited. This has been so good. I love this as my meal prep for lunches. Thursday, guys. I am pooped. I just got home. I just vacuumed, did the dishes, went to work this morning, as you guys saw, for a couple of hours. And I just got home. I have a couple of packages. I have 2 from Muscle Nation for a new launch that's releasing. Probably by the time this video is up, this will be launched, at least I think. But I'm not going to open it in this video. I'm going to do a try-on haul in probably another video, but I just wanted to show you that more is coming. I will, however, show you what I got from Amazon. Just a quick little haul. So the first thing I got, I already tore apart, and that's because it's a new SD card for my camera. I needed a more high quality one, which is in my camera right now, so that's why I opened it. Then I got to be glued gel, as well as these like little combing styling brushes. I really want to attempt to do like slick back ponytails and slick back like buns. Never did it before, not sure how it's gonna go, but I need to start somewhere, so I got that. I actually like this comb set. It came in a pack of 3, so you're getting like this thin comb with like the parting tool. Then you have this like one that kind of looks like a toothbrush. I know like some people use it for like, what are these called, like baby hairs right here. And then this one is the main one. This one is the one I'm going to be using to like brush back my hair in like a slick back ponytail. So I don't know, I have to watch a few more YouTube videos. I'm not sure how it's gonna go or how I'm gonna even look. I was like thinking about it, maybe I'm just gonna look like a big egg, I don't know. But anyways, that's what I got. Something super random, but I got this 2-pack of very cute like aesthetic razors. It's literally just a mini cloud, and on the other side it has this like little button. You just press it up and a little razor comes out. So I want to use this for like cutting packages. I've been doing a lot of like unboxing videos, so I just wanted to keep up with like the aesthetic look, and just instead of using like my chunky scissors, like just something cute like this. And then last but not least, I'm excited to open this one up and show you, but I got a duffel bag. It is a dupe for the Bae's Weekender bag, which I'm so excited for. Look how beautiful this is. It is so big. It's literally perfect for a weekend bag, or in my case, I'm also going to be using it as my like carry-on for traveling. I went with the color black just because my suitcase is like marbled black and white, but it's mainly black, so I just wanted to kind of keep it the same. It is honestly huge. Like there is so much room in here. There's also a little USB charger, so it's on the side, and it actually has a cable inside, which is pretty cool. Then at the bottom you can open this zipper up, and this is where you can put shoes. It also comes with 2 bags for the shoes, so you can put, you know, your heels, your running shoes, whatever it is inside of these bags, and then put them in this bottom pocket so it doesn't get the actual bag dirty, which is so smart. It has a big Velcro pocket on the front, and then on both sides it has big side pockets, so this is really good to put like water bottles or something, like Stanley cups, whatever you travel with. It has the straps for you to hold it with your hands, and then you can like clip them together if you want. As well, it also comes with the shoulder strap, which is nice and big. All of the accents are gold, which is really pretty. And then on the back side, there's a zipper pocket as well. There's this little strap. This is actually where you can like put your luggage handle through here and then sit this on top of your luggage. Can you envision what I'm trying to say? And then on top of all of that, it comes with another extra like travel purse. So like if you want to put like makeup things in here or whatever it is, you can. So it comes with a lot for it. I will link this down below for you guys if you want to buy it. Again, it's a dupe to the Bae's Weekender bag, which is a little bit more expensive. I literally paid half the price for this, so I'm happy about it. And it comes in a bunch of different colors, so you can go with whatever you like. I'm literally so tired, so I'm not going to show you guys like I said really, but this is a little sneak peek of the Muscle Nation stuff. Again, I'll do a try on haul, but I just did an unboxing video, another unboxing video, all for like TikTok. Like I was using my phone and my tripod, and that tripod, like your girl is dead. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to me below and give this video a big thumbs up. Again, if you want to shop Ana Luisa, I do have a link and discount code for you in the description box, so be sure to go check it out there. The code you can use at checkout is Salenza20. And again, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!